Nice job in math today, everyone. You've earned an extra recess. Yay! What are you doing with that stump, Noah? Are you going to climb a tree? This is going to work. Wow! You're doing it, Noah. What are you doing, Molly? I don't know. Just do what I do and roll on the ground. Where are we going? I don't know. Where are we going? We don't know. This looks fun. Where are we going? We don't know. Where are we going? We don't know. Where are we going? We don't know. Mr. Wolf, let me introduce you to our newest board members. Say hello to Mr. Rose and Miss Wax. Hello. Nice to meet you. I was showing them how hard we've been working to keep students safe on the playground. Principal Wilcox, should the children be allowed to climb trees? I did it. Oh man, sorry kids.